Welcome to the International Professional Development IPD video series on professional career progression. In this video, we will explore strategies prior to writing a resume. It is essential that even before you think of starting to write your resume, you do research, you do homework, and do the following steps. The first most crucial step is to know yourself. Who are you? What kind of person are you? What are your likes and dislikes and values? What qualifications do you own? In the second step, research the job market, discipline, sector, industry, types of jobs available, companies offering those jobs, etc. After knowing yourself and the job market, you can make informed decisions. So the third step is then to set your goals. After thorough inside knowledge and outside environment and conditions, set a direction, create a path, write a plan to follow, and stay focused to move steadily towards your goals. Know yourself, personality and ability. The process of knowing yourself starts with knowing personal traits. Personal characteristics are not something you do. They represent what you are. These personality traits reflect your thoughts, feelings and behaviors. These are the qualities that make up part of your personality. Values: integrity, honesty, loyalty, compassion, empathy, and positivity are among many others. Those matter. Interest: what kind of work fascinates you? What field do you like working with? What type of job you want most? Skills: what skills do you possess? What technical skill do you have to present to employer? What soft skills make you the best candidate for the job race? Specialties: what unique and extraordinary qualities do you possess and that make you stand out in a crowd? Direction: what career and life direction you have set for yourself? What life goals do you have to pursue? Know yourself through SWOT analysis. In SWOT, words SWOT stand for strength, weaknesses, threats, and opportunities. This tool helps you to analyze yourself, where do you stand now, and identify personal and professional goals. It allows to identify areas where you have an advantage and the areas where you need some improvement. To know more and how to do a personal career SWOT analysis, watch our video on our IPD channel on YouTube. Link provided in the description. As a part of Know Yourself, prepare personal portfolio. A personal portfolio is a collection of materials that showcase your skills, experience, and achievements. Mostly, it is a collection of personal records but can be used to demonstrate your capabilities to potential employers or clients. It can be used as a base or data tool to prepare a job-specific target resume. A portfolio could be a physical paper file or electronic file or a web page. Some items that might be included in a personal portfolio may include About Me, a short biography. This section is the answer to the very famous question, tell me about yourself. Proof of degrees, certificates. This may consist of your educational transcripts, copies of licenses, or professional development and continuing education activities. Work samples. Work samples such as Writing samples, design projects, or other creative work can be included in your portfolio to demonstrate your capabilities and skills. Technical and soft skills. You shall review your skills and choose those you are most proud of that best reflect your brand. Community service or volunteer work. If you have participated in any volunteer work or community service, you need to describe them here, especially as they relate to your career. Awards and accolades. These may include academic honors, scholarships, an Employee of the Year prize, etc., received in your career to showcase your outstanding achievements. Recommendations. Recommendations are references from previous or current employer and faculty members are a valuable addition to your portfolio as they can provide insight to your skills and abilities from a professional perspective. Sample work or project. Samples of past work are the key portion of a portfolio. It is an opportunity to show the employer what you can do through projects you have worked in the past. A personal portfolio can be a useful tool for showcasing your skills and experience to potential employers or clients and can help you stand out in a competitive job market. Before you start writing your resume and start applying, know the sector of your choice, understand the history, trends, challenges, and opportunities available in that sector. Which industry fascinates you or attracts you based on your interest, qualifications, and experience? Know the major companies in that sector or industry. What skills and qualifications those companies are looking for. Look for companies that match your values, how they operate their business, what roles and positions are available in the companies of interest, what duties and responsibilities carry those roles, what the salary range is for those positions. Set your goals. Once you know yourself, your strengths, qualifications, skills, and have become familiar with the job market, set out your career goals. What you want to achieve in your career and what options are available out there. What are short-term goals, like where you place yourself in a 2 to 5 year period. What are long-term goals, where you want to see yourself in a 5 to 10 years and beyond. What is the ultimate career achievement target? Goal setting must follow the SWOT process. Research your position. Collect, read, and analyze the preferred job ads and job descriptions. Purpose is to fully understand the job requirements. Identify what knowledge, skills, and abilities are required in the job market. Check other requirements like licenses, certificates, minimum education level, driving requirement, etc. Find, mark, or highlight the major keywords in the job descriptions under review. Compare, analyze, and select common matching characteristics in your portfolio and job description. Here are some resources where you can find sample resumes. Local libraries have good references and resources that can be helpful. Settlement and employment agencies provide good resources, training, and mentoring. National Occupation Classification (NOC) in Canada provides a system to classify jobs or occupations. In this system, jobs are grouped into training, education, experience, and responsibility categories. A description of duties and responsibilities can help to draft a winning resume. Online job postings, job boards, and LinkedIn are good resources as well to look at similar job descriptions. Sample resume and job descriptions will give enough information to tailor resume and add some valid keywords and technical terms and phrases. Research company. It would help to consider several things while evaluating a company before applying for a job. Some things to look into may include company culture. Consider whether the company's value and mission align with yours own. Look for information about the company on the company website or by talking to current or former employees or clients. Work-life balance. Consider whether the company's work hours and expectations are compatible with your professional goals and personal conditions. Career advancement opportunities. Look for information about the company's promotion and career development policies. Benefits and perks. Consider the company benefit package, including health insurance, retirement plans, and other perks such as flexible work arrangements or paid time off. Company reputation. Research the company reputation within the industry and employees. Look for reviews and ratings on sites such as Glassdoor and consider reaching out to the current or former employees for their insights. You can see what type of people they hire, what level of experience their employees tend to have, and how long they stay at the company before leaving. Financial stability. Look for information about the company's financial health, such as its revenues, profitability, and any recent news about the financial performance. Overall, it is essential to research and ensure that the company is good fit for you before applying for a job in that company. If you are a newcomer to Canada or planning to come to Canada and a foreign trained professional, IPD can help you with your career planning in Canada. Contact IPD for resume writing and review, professional career advice, your professional branding and training. You can book an appointment with us for career consultation in Canada, either online via Facebook or our IPD website or in person. Don't forget to watch our coming video in this series, Successful Resume, to know more about winning resumes. I would like to thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please make sure to click like, subscribe and the bell icons to watch our professional career progression and other learning series from IPD.